Hey everybody, what is up? In this video, we are going to change our FOV in our Fortnite. So if you're also looking out a guide on how to do so, this video will teach you exactly. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can just go over and look out for your menu button. You can press the menu button on your Xbox or look out for the options on your PlayStation and press it. After that, you will be finding your profile appearing on your screen. What you need to do is look out for the gear icon and select it, this one right here, and go ahead and access your settings at the top this way, and just go over and select your settings right here. Once you select your settings from the menu on the right side of your screen, what you need to do is from the top menu that appears on the screen, look out for the game tab, which should be available on the fourth option or the third option. So just go over and select this game icon right here. It has a controller and a gear icon. And once you select it, what you need to do is scroll down and go to the FOV section. So you may just scroll down and go to the section of FOV minimum and FOV maximum sliders. So once you find it up, you can just go over and increase or decrease the field of view. So if you want to increase it, you can just go over and increase it for FOV minimum or decrease it. Same goes for the FOV maximum as well. And just go over and move the sliders left or right. And once you do so, you can just go over and apply up the changes and save up your new settings to take the effect. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You can follow up this process to change your FOV in Fortnite by following up these steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.